Welcome everyone, I'm N.R.T. On today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and install of a tractor seat sent from our good friends over at Reliable Aftermarket Parts. I messaged them regarding this 5205 John Deere I have. As you can see, bring you guys over there. As you can see, the seat is completely destroyed from years of use. It's loose on the back, it flops around, it's a disaster, it's a headache, it's irritating. This digs into your back when you're driving. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox that. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. There it is. Very nice. Not all ripped up. So there should be a direct replacement for this tractor. Gonna show you how we unbolt the old one. Okay, so you got two 10mm bolts right here and right here. You gotta unhook the safety switch right there. Then back here, you got one there and one there. And yeah, so let's get done to bolting it. We're not going to reuse the old bolts, we're going to use new ones. See, it's spinning. So I'm going to go get a plier to hold that. See if we can break it free now. Yep. Now what we're going to do is get the back ones. We're going to scoop that all the way down like that. You want to be careful using impacts on these because they're just little zerts and you can twist them. That makes a real pain. I also got a discount code for you guys. It's N.R.T. to save yourself 15% at Reliable Aftermarket Parts. They got all types of stuff from tractor parts to lawnmower parts, even ATV parts. And I can confess, their parts are reliable, as their name says. Yes, they do send me free product, but I'm real. I don't play favorites, and I put their products to the test and they hold up. replacement seat sensor because I believe it's broken. It doesn't seem to want to work. And I believe that seat sensor controls your PTO. It doesn't allow your PTO to disengage and engage. Doesn't allow it to engage if you're near the PTO instead of the tractor seat. So basically just like that. Just like that, and you can put the seat sensor on. Gonna go get some brake clean for that. Okay, that's all cleaned up. Now we're going to seat on like that. We're going to go ahead and put the back bolts in. I'm going to go ahead and the front two bolts in. Okay, we'll go ahead and anchor it on down. Okay, 2 back ones are done. Got the 2 front ones, and she's on. There. All right. Let's get on it. All right. Very nice. Nice and comfy. Don't have all of them, that ripped old vinyl ripping scratching my back. So, huge shout out to Reliable Aftermarket Parts. Use code N.R.T to save yourself 15%. I will put a link in the description to this seat and to their website. Go check them out. Use my discount code. Save yourself some money. Help me out. Help them out. And yeah. So, catch you on the next one.